Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Good afternoon. I'm Karen Madden. The start of the first one day between the West Indies and South Africa in East London has been abandoned due to rain. The game was set to bowl off at 6 a.m. Jamaica time. However, steady rain has forced the delay of the toss and the match. The West Indies are looking for their first win on tour after losing the Test series 2-0. Both teams come into the series on the back of poor performances in the format, with the West Indies winning just one of their last 5 games, while South Africa celebrated 2 victories in their last 5. The Windies have not won an ODI series against South Africa since 1992 and have won 1 of their last 20 games against the hosts in ODIs. And the Jamaica Scorpions had a below-par first innings display as the Windward Islands Volcanoes are currently leading by 201 runs in their CWI Regional 4-day matchup at Providence, and that's at lunch. The Volcanoes were bowled out for 217 in their first innings on the first day. However, their superior bowling performances meant that they were at the crease once again, as the Scorpions were only able to make 101. Darvel Green was the top scorer for the Scorpions with 33 runs. 4 batsmen in the lineup were unable to get runs on the board. Justin Greaves had a 6-wicket haul with figures of 6 for 34, and there were 2 wickets each for Sherman Lewis and Ryan John. The Windward Island Volcanoes in their second innings are currently 85 for 2. In other matches, the Leeward Islands Hurricanes are 55 for 5, trailing by 267 runs against the Barbados Pride, while Trinidad and Tobago Red Force are 76 for 3, trailing the Guyana Harpy Eagles by 248 runs. Elizabeth Miller scored a hat-trick as St. Jago and Old Harbour played out an exciting 3-all draw in the Issa Tip-Friendly Society schoolgirl football competition at Royal Lakes yesterday. Old Harbour were the ones that broke the deadlock early as Jajanique Ferguson slotted home in the 7th minute. 5 minutes later, St. Jago's taliswoman Miller leveled proceedings, and Miller made sure that St. Jago headed into the halftime break with the lead, as she scored her second in a minute 35. Rashina Smith got her name on the score sheet in the 60th minute. Ferguson got her brace as Old Harbour retook the lead in the 63rd minute. That lead did not last long, as Miller made sure that her school ended the contest with a point as she scored a hat-trick in the 66th minute. And that's all the time we have for sports. It's back to you, Shamela.
Thank you, Karen. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pulan. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.